It's a beautiful day with a fine view. Boats do not disappear behind the horizon. What's this coming back into view? Look at this little boat. Did it disappear due to the curvature? No. Did it disappear due to perspective? Yes. Look at this. Now with the human eye, this is invisible. People presume, because they seek an authority answer for everything, that these boats disappear due to the curvature of the Earth. But in fact, when you use a high-powered zoom, they come back into view. Therefore, they have not disappeared due to the curvature of the Earth, but rather due to the perspective of the human eye. Have a nice day, everybody.